Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Verizon Messages. Yes, in this app video we are going to discuss the various feature and how you can create your account first. So what is Verizon Messages? What is this application all about? If you go to the about this app and you can read all the features they have. So you can even have group chats and you can just chat one-on-one as well. And in the group chat, you can create a group up to 250 people. That is quite a large group. And other features, as you can see going down, so send and receive messages or Wi-Fi from your smartphone, iOS devices, tablets, PC, Macs, and web browser. So you can use it on any device that you have, and you can log into to the same account on different devices, and you can continue your conversation if you switch a device. So this is also a good feature. So without wasting any time, I will just click on open because I already installed the application. So once you install it, just click on open, and here, as you can see, they say that messages across your phone, tablet, computer, and other smart devices. Enhanced group messages, so you can also do group messages, extended coverage, send and receive messages or Wi-Fi, no mobile network connection required. You can do that as well. And location services, view and share your location with friends in real time and select destination to meet at. So this is also a very cool feature in this application. So on this page, just click on start messages, and there will be some permission you need to allow. So after allowing the permission, set messages as your default SMS app. So we will make this one as our default messages. So any message which come through the network, so it will be received on this application. So I will set, and then you need to put your number here, the country code of course, and then your mobile number. So once you've done that, just click on next. So it say please wait starting services. So it will take just a while to get started. So guys, as you can see, it is done. And now, as you can see, all your messages, the conversation you have on through messages will be, you can see it here. So actually how you can send messages to someone like one-on-one, right here, you can just type the message and send it. So this is actually the same number. So as you can see, I received the message as well instantly. And here you can also call. If you click on the call option above there, so you can directly call as well from here. You can share your media, you can search, add to favorites, customize, delete messages, mute conversation, and insert smiley. So you can do many things here as well if you click on the 3-dot menu above here. But the other thing is that if you click on the plus sign here, so as you can see, you can send messages, you can send even videos, all your media files from here. You can access to your gallery, and from there you can choose a picture and send. Then the other option here is the places. So once you click on the places, it will again ask you to access to your the device location. So you need to allow that. And here, as you can see, you can search, you can even share your location as well. If you want, you can search restaurants and nightlife, coffee and tea, shopping, anything you can search here and share it with your friends, so you can go to the same place. So this is a very cool feature. Inside the application, you can use the map and search for restaurants, nightlife, coffee and tea, and shopping, anything that you want, or either you can just share your location. So this is how you can do. The next option is glimpse. So once you click on glimpse, it will again ask you access to your device location. So then click on the glimpse again, and here you can see you should accept this one. And then here you have the option share location, request location, work, home. You can share your location, that will be my real-time location, and then the other person can see it. Request to have location shared with you, and if you can send request, then the other person can share the location with you. So these are some very good options that you can use. If you click on more, there is another option, postcards. You can create a customized postcard, which is a very good feature. In this one, you can send an audio as well, or audio file. You can click on it and then select the file and send it. So this is how you can do this. If you click on the number, as you can see here, you can create message. You can add this chat person to favorite. You can mute the conversation, and if there is photos and media sends or e-gifts or contacts or links or anything, you can find it here, audio and glimpses. So this is how you can actually access to those things as well. So this is how you can chat to the people, you can call, you can share your media files. The other thing is that the one thing that I missed is here you can send emojis. There are some cool ones here. You can hold to record, and if you hold it and then you release it, the message will be sent. So you can even send voice messages as well, which is also a very cool feature. So without this one, if you can click on the pencil at the bottom here, as you can see, there are many you can access actually to the mobile numbers in your contact, and you can just click on this one and then you can send or call. You can even send message or you can even call, and from here you can search for your from your contacts here. If you can go to your contacts and you can search any person from here as well. So once you click here, so right at the left corner there is a 3-line menu. If you click on it, there is one option which is called driving mode. When you turn it on, this feature will mute messages notification and turn on driving mode auto reply. To turn on driving mode by Bluetooth detection or remove driving mode auto reply, go to app setting. So this is how you can go back and then you can turn it on. If you're driving and you turn it on, then there will be a auto reply to the sender that you're actually driving right now. So how to activate an account here, you will just put your number the way I did in the beginning, and then you will activate your number. Just click on next and your account will be activated. So this is how you can do here. The messages that you have bookmarked, you will find it here. Currently I don't have any bookmark, so it is empty. The shared media, you will here see any media that the people shared with you, you can find it here. So this is how it works. And customize, if you can go to, you can change your avatar from here, multicolored or gray, and then you can save it. Then you can select the font size and style from here. Just click on the font and you can select any size and any font style as well from here. So this is how you can do. And if you want to reset all the settings, just click on reset to default and every setting will be reset to default again. So themes, backgrounds, so once you click on here, there are many dark theme. There is a classic one, there is a red one, and there are many, as you can see, and you can choose from any theme and you can select that one. So this is how you can choose the themes. The other important thing here is that what's new. So once you click on it, that will show you if there is any update to the application from here. As you can see, they already mention it. So if there is something new, they will announce it here. So once you go to the setting here, as you can see, there is like the conversation, typing notification, enable swipe, enable smart emojis, mark muted conversation. So there are many things you can disable or you can enable that one. So this is the conversation settings. There is the notification settings, all the notification settings, you can find it here. Then when you go to the application setting here, as you can see, you can change the language here. There are some options that you can choose, so you can change the language from here. So here, when sending a video, so they say that prompt me send high is high resolution or send is MMS. So you can choose the quality according to your data package, that if you want to send the high resolution or just in a MMS, you can do like this. So every time when you send, they will ask you that what you want. You can select that one as well. Group conversation, use MS to start group conversation. You can enable or disable that one. So once using mobile data, images and audio, you can actually change it to, like, you can select both three if you want to download everything on your mobile data, or if you want to keep it only to images and audio, then you can select that one. And when connected to Wi-Fi, of course, you will want to download every media file. So this is how the application settings, the important thing in that one. Then go to the location, and here you can, because we this is also improved location. Wi-Fi will improve your location, of course, and there are many options that you can select. There is the driving mode, and when you go to the account, restore messages or activate messages, so from here you can, if you click on restore, so they say there is no SD card, activate my account. So when you go, you will come back again to this page because they need your number to activate your account. So guys, this is how this application works. This is some of the features that I have explained it to you. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.